Thank you once again for coming back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlink videos and how to group videos in one video. Let's assume that maybe you're doing some, you're editing a video for an artist. How can you remove that audio background from the video and put the original audio for yourself? So the first step, we come here, we select our video. Let's assume that this is our video. But again, I want to remove the sound here. I want to first show you how you can add an audio, another, like an audio, not that same audio you have in the video. So let's assume that maybe this is my video. What I'm going to do, I'm going to have this audio here, and then I drag it, put it in audio 2, because you can't take it to video parts. You have to bring it to audio 2. So it is my second audio. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that at least I unlink my first video with its audio. How am I going to unlink the video? What I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the video, and then let's have another example here. Let's have another example of another video. Yeah, these are 2 videos. You see, these are 2 videos. So I'm going to show you a difference of unlinking and linking. So these 2 audios, I mean these 2, this one video is linked to and its audio. So I'm going to remove this audio. I'm going to come here and then right click. I then come to ungroup. Hope you can see this. I mean unlink. So I'm going to unlink. Once I unlink, when I come back, I can either delete the video or I delete the audio. So I want to remove this audio. What I'm going to do, I'm going to come, I click on it, then I cut. So it is gone. I've remained with the video without the audio. So once I play this, once I play this now, once I play this video, it will now bring the sound of the other music I inserted. Hope you can see that. Yeah, the other audio is gone. So that is what we call unlinking and linking videos. However, this one remains linked to bring the other background audio in the video. So my next step, I want to show you how you can create groups. How you can create groups in a video. First of all, let's assume that maybe we have different types of of videos. What are you gonna do? Let's assume that maybe we have got this one, and this one. Yeah. So I'm going to group them. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make it one video. But how I'm going to do it? I'm going to do it like this. Let's assume that maybe okay, it's like that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to highlight all of them. Once I highlight them, then I'm going to right click and then I come to group. What you can say is, yeah, then I just click on group. Yeah, so this is now one video. When I'm moving it, I'll move everything. What you can see, there were separate videos, but now it's one video. If I want to ungroup them, I just right click and then ungroup. You see? So it is back to one video. So once I play, you can see that. Yeah, so now you can rejoin videos, and then that will be done. That will be done. Yeah, so let me first group this. Sorry. First group it. First group it again. Yeah, so I want to move this audio in this video here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to come and I say unlink. So once I come back, I'll be able to delete this audio. Delete the audio. I did the audio and this audio here, they're all good. So now I can join, I can group my video. Now it will be one video. Once I'm moving it, I can move it as one video, though it is cut out here. Thank you so much. This is all what I had for you about grouping in Photoshop, and then also unlinking. Thank you. See you in our next videos.